Hey, I'm Eileen. I'm teaching myself AI vibe coding. I have ADHD and spend way too much time running and building random projects. So that's why I'm here filming a YouTube video and trying to keep track of the process. In this video, I want to do a few things. 1. Show you what TranscriptKit actually does and why it's useful if you make short-form content. 2. Share a bit of the story of how I built this as a beginner vibe coder. 3. And talk about what's next for the product. So yeah, if you're a content creator or you're into AI and vibe coding like me, hopefully you will get something out of this. Alright, let me start with the why. A lot of creators now do content research. I'm pretty sure you have heard a lot of creators saying that if you want to go viral, you study the viral videos, right? We have to look at how they hook you in the first 3 seconds, what kind of phrases they repeat, how they build tensions, what music do they use, how they end with a call to action. The annoying part is most TikTok or Reels videos don't come with a nice script attached. So if you want to learn from a video, you have to replay it over and over, pause, type, and write them down sometimes. I have been there before. It's super boring and super slow. And I kept thinking, why isn't there a simple tool where I just paste a link and get clean text back? So I decided to build my own little web app. It is called TranscriptKit. That's basically what TranscriptKit is. Paste the URL, copy or download the transcript. Then you can highlight hooks, write lines in your own voice, and save everything into your little viral script library. You can also reuse that text for captions, blog posts, newsletters, whatever you want. So yeah, that's the problem I wanted to solve. It is very simple and easy to use. This is TranscriptKit homepage. The main highlight says TikTok video transcript generator, but it also works with IG Reels and YouTube Shorts. Up here, we've got features, pricings, how it works, and FAQ. Down here, you can see two modes. One is single, one is batch. Batch feature is for when you want to dig into a whole bunch of videos and batch download them. So let's start with the single tab. Let's say I want to study this TikTok and want to download the script. I just copy the link, jump back into TranscriptKit, paste it in here and hit start. And there we go. Full transcript as plain text, no timestamps, no weird formatting, just the words. From here you can copy it into Notion and build a content library, or rewrite it into your own script. Or you could choose to download it very fast and easy. And then there's batch download feature. This is for people who want to deep dive into with content research. You can drop in a bunch of links and process them together, so you end up with a stack of transcripts instead of doing videos one by one. Right now, TranscriptKit works with TikTok, IG Reels, YouTube Shorts. So basically, if it's a short form video and you've got the link, you can throw it in here. Here's the result. You can view the transcript one by one, or you can choose to download the zip file. I'm actively working on improving this part, so depending on when you're watching this, you might already see new options or extra setting here. In any case, all the latest details are on the site itself. I'm still pretty new to all of this. TranscriptKit, I kept things as simple as I could. A lightweight front end for the UI, a backend server to handle requests, and a speech-to-text API under the hood that turns audio into text. Just a simple click, you can copy or download the transcript immediately. The tricky part weren't really the model itself. It was stuff like connect to the database, user login system, integrate payment system, and trying to keep the UI simple enough that non-tech creators don't get scared away. For me, the big win here is just going from zero to something that's live on the internet, where people can type in a link and get value out of it. So now that TranscriptKit is live, here's the plan. I'm gonna keep shipping small updates, listen to what creators actually need, and make the workflow smoother over time. On the personal side, I will keep documenting this journey here, from I am just learning to code to hopefully this little web app pays for my life. If you are a short form creator and you want to save time on research and scripts, you can start using TranscriptKit today. It's live now and it works well for me. I will leave the link in the description. And if you are learning AI vibe coding, I hope this shows you don't have to wait until you feel like an expert to ship something real. You can build any tiny tool, solve one problem, and learn the rest on the way. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and drop any ideas or questions in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to follow my vibe coding journey. I'm Eileen. Thanks for hanging out with me. I will see you in the next one. Bye!